I'm Julie Brown. I'm the Warren County 4-H agent, and we're going to talk about water. We're in the new year, and people have probably made some New Year's resolutions, and I'm going to help you out with some water. Water is one of the most important things that we can drink. Our body is made up of 60% water. And I know some of us really don't like just the taste of water, so we're going to talk about some infused water, give you a couple of different recipes that you can look at to add to it. The reason why water is important for your body is it helps with your digestion, it helps you break down the food, it also helps keep you hydrated. If your body gets dehydrated, then you are more tired, you're more sluggish feeling, and the more water you drink, the better your body feels, and it also fights off infections. So a couple of the waters that we have here today, one of them is a pineapple mint water. So with the pineapple mint, you'll do a cup of pineapple and you'll do 3 or 4 sprigs of mint to put in there. After you get your water made, put it back in the refrigerator, let it get chilled for about 2 to 3 hours, and then you'll be ready to drink. The colder the water is, the better it tastes. Also the same way with any of these fruits and herbs is once you drink the water, you can just put more water in there till the fruits and the herbs start to look bad, and then you'll want to throw those out and start with fresh. So another one we're going to do is with lemons. You're going to want to use a whole entire lemon. And also when you're looking at your fruits, you want to cut them thinly. You don't want a thick lemon or strawberries or cucumbers, whatever you may be wanting to use. You want to make sure they're nicely thin sliced. And go ahead and drop those down the bottom without using any water. You'll add water in last. So drop your slices of lemons in. And then after you get your whole entire lemon in your water, you're going to want to add your rosemary. And you can use different types of herb, but this is rosemary. When you're looking at your herbs to better add the flavor to your water, you're going to kind of want to bruise them up, feel them, get the oils moving, and you're going to break them in smaller pieces. You're not going to put this whole entire piece of rosemary in there. And you're going to want to do 3 or 4 sprigs of rosemary in your water and break those up as well as you go through. And then as you get them broke up, you're going to want to use a spoon or a spatula to kind of stir them around a little bit to make sure everything gets mixed together. And then you're going to add your water. And as you can see, some of your fruit and some of your herbs will float to the top. And then just put that, remember to put that in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, and then you'll have a nice lemony water. Another one is cucumbers. So you're going to want to do 12 slices of cucumbers that you're going to put in there. Remember to slice them thinly. And that just helps also if you get a pitcher that has a spout, you're also going to want to think about what you're going to put in there to make sure it doesn't block your spout of water when you're pouring it into your cup. Or if you're doing it for like an event you have coming up for the month of January or February, you're going to want to make sure it's pretty and cute, but it doesn't block the flow of water. In this one with the cucumbers, we're going to put mint in there. Do the same thing, kind of bruise them up a little bit so that that adds a mini flavor as your water is going in and so that your mint will stay. And you want to do 3 or 4 sprigs of your mint as well. And then add in your water. With it as well, and then you'll want to get a spoon or a spatula and stir it up as well. So this is a good way. You can make this up the night before. You get ready to leave the house and you could fill your water glass or your tumbler up before you leave the house. And then you'll have a nice refreshing glass to drink on the way to work or after you get to work. That will be healthy for you. Water, remember, is a very important part of your diet that you need to consume every day. You need at least 4 glasses of water, and this will add a little bit of flavor to help you out. Now we're going to head on over to Kristen, and she's going to talk more about getting your garden ready for the spring.